right? You realize you won't be open. Ja,
Waar is de transvagina?
Else around you. As I say, we're doing our best to get going as soon as we can and get you to your destination. Again, we appreciate your patience. Thank you.
Very good morning, Sean, and a warm welcome on board this EasyJet flight. So shortly bound for Gatwick with a flight time of 40 minutes. My name is Nathan, and together with Isabel, Chris, and Sammy, we're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight. So if there's anything you need, just ask. In our stay for the moment of attention as we take you to the safety features of this aircraft, A320 Airbus. Your attention is greatly appreciated. Pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and a brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. Please be aware of your nearest exits as demonstrated by the cabin crew. Your nearest useful exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In emergency, please leave all your luggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen flow. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. In the unlikely event of needing to use an oxygen mask, your face mask must be removed before putting on your oxygen mask. If we land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat. Remove it from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There's a light and a whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, your armrests down, window blinds open, and seatbelts fastened. We hope you have a pleasant flight.
while the seatbelt sign is on, and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If you need to leave your seat, keep the aisle clear to allow others to pass by. Take care if opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, all fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. Please ensure that there are no more than 2 people queuing at the toilets to avoid congestion. Due to COVID-19, public health authorities recommend frequent hand washing with soap and water, and cover your nose and mouth when coughing or sneezing, and avoid touching your face. We apply a fine mist of disinfectant to all our surfaces in the aircraft cabin. In case of a spillage, advise a crew member who can provide you with a cleaning wipe. Please do not use your own wipes. The following is a public health message on behalf of the UK public health agencies. If you are not fully vaccinated or do not meet the eligibility criteria, you must take a test on or before day 2 after you arrive. The symptoms of coronavirus are new continuous cough, a high temperature or loss of or change of normal sense of taste or smell. If you experience any of these symptoms, however mild, you are advised to make yourself known to the crew. Please follow the public health guidance for the area you're living or travelling in, and visit gov.uk coronavirus for advice. Very shortly we'll pass you in the cabin with our bistro and boutique services, with a wide range of sweet and savoury snacks, hot and cold drinks. For £7.50 you can have a meal deal, where you can choose a cold meze snack box, a hot or a soft drink, Pringles or a chocolate bar for £7.50. We also have a wide range of spirits, wine, beer, along with our soft drinks. We also have our boutique range on board, where we're in the 20% sale off all our fragrances, gifts, cosmetics. We also have duty free, including our tobacco, cigarettes, and litre spirits of alcohol. If you do require any boutique items, just stop us as we commence the bistro service. Now sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Any further assistance, please ask a member of crew.
and welcome to London Gatwick, where the local time is approaching 25 past 9. Electronic devices may now be used if they are within reach for calls, messaging and internet access.